Hey guys, I hope you're having a nice day. So we've got a new ebook that has joined our collection of ebooks, and this ebook is specifically for beginners. It's called Our Beginner's Guide to Sewing, and it will get you from novice to dressmaker with 6 patterns included. So included in it is a pattern for an envelope back cushion, also for a tote bag, a drawstring bag, a toiletries bag with a zip, so you learn how to insert a regular zip, and also an exclusive pattern for a wrap skirt, so it's exclusively to this ebook. And then we also have a slightly simplified version of our ultimate pajamas as well. So 6 patterns. It's actually an incredible price at £15 per metre, at £15. And in there we don't only talk you through those projects, but we also break down all the things in sewing. So we've got a diagram of a sewing machine, we have got all the sewing kit that you will need, we have got a glossary of terms, and we explain how to pin, how to position your fabric on the pattern on the fabric, etc, etc. It's also, this is a new thing to ebooks, we haven't yet done this, we've also done a series on Stitch School that we have then linked to throughout this beginner ebook, giving you extra guidance through videos. So we've got video tutorials peppered throughout the ebook with these little circles that you can just click on and they'll take you there. And when you buy the ebook, you just get access to these. So you will have access to them. You don't need to be a member of Stitch School to get them. So that's included in the £15. Some of the videos will be showing you how to do some sewing things, how, what it means to cut a notch, etc. Other videos will be me just talking to you about what is great about certain pins and why you can buy the wrong pin and the right pin. Now I imagine that a lot of you that are watching this are already sewers, so this wouldn't necessarily be the right ebook for you, but if you do know anyone that is keen to start their sewing journey and you would love them to join you at the sewing table so you could sew together, then this would be the perfect gift for them or recommendation. So like I said, it's to get them from nothing to dressmaking. It's a bit like a couch 0 to 5k kind of concept. That was what I was thinking when we came up with the idea of it. I wanted to be like, look, you have absolutely no knowledge. Let us make sure that you take the right steps so that you're not going to try something too difficult too soon, but take the right steps to get you into the preparation phases so that you can then move on to dressmaking. And the 2 dressmaking patterns, so we've got the Ultimate PJs, which are in a sense unisex, so you can then, this is therefore suitable for guys as well. And it's just slightly simplified. We don't include the buttonholes, which are very tricky to do that part. We didn't want to complicate the pattern, but it's generally it's essentially our ultimate pajamas pattern, but without that feature. And then we've also got an exclusive pattern, which is the wrap skirt. So this was really important. I wanted us to do a really easy skirt that was no zips, easy to fit, just kind of like no buttonholes, nothing like that. And that's exactly what this is. It's just a lovely wrap skirt. It comes in a knee length, it comes in a midi length. I'm actually really a big fan of it and I've been desperate to wear it, so I'm glad that now that this is out I can now wear mine without fear of being what's the word, of spoiling it. Yeah, spoiling the surprise. Anyway guys, yeah, that's it. It's part of Beginner's Month. Next week we have got our second ebook. So I think we told you we're going to have 2 ebooks out. We've been working very hard this summer. The second ebook is for dressmakers. So if you have done this first ebook and then you really want to develop your dressmaking, then the second one will be about that. It's a beginner's guide to dressmaking. So yeah, stay tuned for that guys. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.